Everybody is saying that the best move right now is to learn AI before AI replaces you. And I get it. I mean, I think that's a valid move that you should be considering. But I want you to consider something else because I think there's a better move. And the better move is to start considering what AI cannot do in the real physical world. Everyone keeps asking this question: will I be replaced by AI? And the real question we should be asking is, what can I learn that AI cannot replace? And so in this video, I'm going to discuss 3 opportunities that you can start today that's not going to be replaced by AI, at least anytime soon from what I can see, and why these opportunities may be the best path for you right now. So let's hone in, because I understand how it feels. I understand that there is fear out there, and we keep hearing about AI being able to write emails and answer phone calls, answer questions, give you how-tos. It's even creating graphics and videos right now. And so there are a lot of tasks that are going to be eliminated because AI is going to be able to do that more efficiently, faster, better, that's up for debate depending on what it is, but AI is going to be able to do that, and for most cases the trade-off is going to be worth it to automate those things out with AI. So the real problem isn't if AI is going to take your job. The real problem is, how do you take control of your life so you're not concerned about that? So I really believe that ownership is the safest way. And this is not coming from an AI skeptic. Like, I believe in the power of AI. I actually have a full-time job that I work at an AI company. We're doing some great things in helping the healthcare industry and their workers gain more time back and prevent burnout. So I'm not somebody who says that AI is a bunch of crap. AI is real and it is powerful. And that's why it's creating the best opportunity for people right now that are honing in on 3 types of businesses. And so let's get into those types of businesses. The first business is a skilled trade type of business. Now, we all know these businesses. These are oftentimes home-based businesses. These are the blue-collar jobs. These are the electricians, the plumbers, the mechanics, right? These are the types of jobs that take a lot of physical grit and a lot of physical activity, and that's why these jobs are going to be so hard to be replaced by AI. Yeah, sure, you can go on and ask AI how to fix a carburetor, but when it actually comes down to doing it, are you able to follow those directions? I've been there myself trying to have AI instruct me how to do things, and ultimately I gave up, had to call on a professional. And so there are people that are going to actually have to come out and physically do these types of jobs. When your roof blows off, AI is not going to be able to do that for you, right? AI is going to tell you what you need to do, or maybe who you need to call, and you want to be one of those people that they call. So skilled trade type of business is a great opportunity for you to get in right now. And hey, I get it. They're hard jobs. They're physical jobs. It does take a lot of energy, and it does take a lot of time. And I grew up in a blue-collar family. My father is one of these guys. When he got laid off from the plant, he was able to use his hands to be able to catch on some handyman jobs and work on cars and work at a gas station. And these types of jobs were able to help him provide for his family and keep food on his table. So it's a good opportunity for those of you that are in that. And why it's a great opportunity right now is because with all of the AI that's available, it's not going to help you fix the car, but it is going to help you run the business more efficiently. It's going to help you take care of some of those tasks that you don't like to do, the sending out the emails and the thank you notes and putting together marketing materials and doing some content creation. It's going to help you with all of that. So now running these types of businesses become even easier. And so you don't have to concern yourself with having to be the technician your entire life. You get in now. You position yourself, you learn the business, you learn how to train people, you learn the policies, the procedures, the customers, you build a client base, you build a reputation, and then you leverage the AI to help you out with some of these tasks, and eventually you could develop a team and you could step away, so you're no longer the technician, you are now the owner. And that's how you're able to leverage yourself to build this life that you've always wanted and not worry about getting replaced by AI. Now, the elephant in the room is going to be this. And I know some of you are thinking this, well, what about the robots, Paul? Yes, the robots are coming. But you know what? It's going to be quite a long time before these robots are at a point where they're as accessible and affordable as some of this other AI technology, right? So if you're able to get in today and start a business, develop your reputation, build a client base, learn how to run the business, then 5, 6, 7 years from now, whenever these robots become accessible that are able to do some of these more physical type of tasks, then you're in a great position where you'll be able to purchase those robots to help expand your business and grow beyond your wildest dreams without you actually having to do it. So a skilled trades business is one of the best ways that you can leverage yourself right now in the world of AI. The second business I would recommend that you start are service-based businesses. These are the hair salons, the dog groomers, the nail techs, fitness trainers, right? These are the jobs that actually takes a human being to actually do a task and perform a service for you. Now, this is where my wife and I have been able to capitalize on for the past couple of years. We've been running a service-based business because we understand the need to have professionals in your local area that are able to perform these service-based jobs. Some of them, there are certain licenses that are required. Others, no licenses are required. Just somebody to go out there and do that task. And yes, I understand that you can go in and maybe prompt your AI to tell you how to do these certain things. Trust me, I've seen some of the AI slot videos that are trying to tell you that you could have a machine that'll braid your hair for you. As being an owner of a hair salon with my wife, I understand that that's just not it. There's no machine that can do that for you right now. You need an actual human being to do that. What we also understand is a lot of these service-based businesses, I mean, the people that are in the community, they want to come out and be able to sit down and talk to somebody. AI isn't going to be able to have that emotional connection. They're not going to be able to talk with you and understand, you know, what you want and what you need, and be able to look at some reference photos and just share their story and explore things with you, try new things and develop that relationship with you. When things get messy and the emotions are running all over the place, AI is not the one that you want to be talking to because they're cold, and they'll just give you some general advice, right? So these service-based businesses can be really successful. This is where a lot of my friends are really locking in and doing really well for themselves. Right now, a friend of mine that owns a tattoo shop was able to bring in $6,000 in a day, and it didn't take him doing any tattoos whatsoever because he built a business. He has somebody to manage that and a team of people that are able to do that for him. So because he locked in and was able to understand the market, he's able now to free up his time to do a little bit more of his other personal endeavors and not worry so much about having to actually be the one that's doing the job. So a service-based business is a good opportunity for you. The last type of business that's a great opportunity, which is a huge unlock for you right now, is the event, experience, or community type of business. These are the types of businesses that draw people in that are looking for some fun, some excitement. These are things like retreats, workshops, event planning, training experiences, community memberships, things that are just, you know, calling for people to come because, listen, we're all tired of talking to the robots and chatbots on the phone. We're tired of prompting AI to do everything for us and looking at a screen all day long. We want meaningful connections with people. And these types of businesses are going to be huge going forward as we all look for ways to actually touch people, to meet people, to laugh, to cry, to look somebody in the eye, get a physical touch. Whatever the case is, these are going to be a huge opportunity for you. So if you get in today and get a reputation for having one of these community types of experiences, this is going to be huge. I mean, I've seen so many creative things pop up over the past couple of years. There's experiences where you can make candles, you can build your own plants, right? These types of experiences are things that are fun, they're exciting, and they're not even that expensive, but people really enjoy them because it's somewhere where they can go, they can use their hands and build something that's real and share it with other people and bring other people involved to be a part of that experience. And so if you're able to capitalize on that and open your own event type of experience type of place, this is going to be a huge opportunity for you in the future. So here's the point of this video. What I'm trying to do is to have you change your mindset. Instead of worrying about whether AI is going to replace you, I really want you to lock in and understand where the opportunity is for you to build a real business in the real world so that you can make sure that you're not replaced by AI because you control your future. And these types of jobs are going to be available for you. And I call this community of people tradepreneurs. The tradepreneurs are those that are opening the service businesses, the trades, the event businesses. These are the tradepreneurs of our future, and I'm here to help you on this journey because I ran several businesses myself. After working with business owners and starting dozens myself, I understand there is a framework in which you would build a business. I call that framework the I Can framework. And so I'm hosting all of these things available in my community. You can go to tradepreneurhq.com. You'll find a bunch of resources that are available for you to get started. And as we build this community, I really want to be able to be a resource to help you, to provide some expert advice. And so I'm calling on a community. I really want to build a community of people through my school community called the Tradepreneur Circle. And since you're early in the game and one of my founding members members of the community, I'm going to offer the first 500 people free membership to this community for as long as the community exists, which hopefully will be a long time. We'll see. But hopefully it'll be an avenue for you to kind of get engaged. And as we build this out and we bring aboard the experts, I'm going to reach out to my friends and colleagues that are running these types of businesses to offer their advice and be able to provide that to you as a resource. Glad you're able to watch. I'm your boy Paul. I'll see you the next time. Take care.